Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert bar chart in Excel, so very easily you can insert it. So follow some my few steps. Firstly you need to select your this text and select this text and you need to click on insert and this chart insert pie chart this option, click on it and here more pie charts, just click on it. And now you see here in this list bar option, this bar, so just click on it and select you like this chart you like, so select it, or more options will be there. You can select which one you like, select one which you like and click on OK. And you see here this chart will be very easily insert. You can customize it, this style, color or more think you can customize it. If you like this one, so select it and customize this side style and color you can adjust and customize this chart. Very easily you can customize or insert. So this way you can very easily insert. So thanks for watching this video.